Bifen or Talic products can be used indoors in some cases, but most often they are intended for exterior perimeter and spot treatments only. Read the product label first and match the formulation to the intended use, because different Bifen and Talic formulations have different active ingredients and indoor allowances. If the label permits indoor use, follow the exact dilution rates and application methods stated and avoid treating living spaces where people or pets spend extended time. When using indoors, choose targeted spot treatments such as cracks and crevices, voids behind baseboards, and crawl spaces rather than broadcast spraying floors or furnishings. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment including gloves and eye protection, and ventilate the area by opening windows and running fans for at least the duration recommended on the label. Store the product in its original container out of reach of children and pets, and never mix with other insecticides unless the label explicitly allows it. If you are unsure, call the manufacturer or a licensed pest management professional and keep a copy of the label and safety data sheet for reference. Common mistakes include applying an outdoor formulation inside, which can produce excess fumes and unnecessary exposure. So double-check the specific product variant and never substitute one formulation for another. Another frequent error is overusing the product by applying more often or at higher rates than the label permits, which increases health risk and provides no added control, so follow the labeled interval and rate every time. A third issue is poor ventilation after indoor applications, which can leave residual odors and airborne droplets, so ventilate thoroughly and restrict access to treated areas until concentrations have dissipated per the label. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and research appropriate products and methods for tasks like pest control. We also host an active discussion community so our users and contractors can share experiences, ask questions, and find work with real local connections.